Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. I'm Martin Warwick and we are here reporting from the ETSI NFV number 11 event in San Jose in California. And I'm delighted to be talking with Arpit Joshipura, who is Dell Networking and NFV, obviously at Dell. Arpit, great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Last time we talked for quite a long time about the 5 steps to NFV, if you remember.
That's absolutely
I
right.
was consulting my notes in London before I came here. I'd like to talk to you today about something slightly different, which is since NFV began, it's come a tremendously long way at a tremendous pace. What's your take on that? What do you think of it?
Sure. NFV has come a long way. And when you look at it, the various attributes that make up NFV have come a long way. So let's start off with us first, right? Dell. A year ago, we were, an insignificant player. We supplied gear to telecom equipment providers, but we're not there. Today, we're one of the leading, thought leaders, a host at ETSI, but more importantly, a big partner for the customer migration of proprietary black boxes to an open architecture, right? So we have come a long way. We are investing. We are putting resources, equipment, to support the migration to NFV. Standards have come a long way. ETSI, IETF, and a whole bunch of other standard bodies have collaborated as as an ecosystem and defined several interfaces, right, for the NFVI, the WIM, the MANO. Yeah, there's some work to be done on northbound and some of the other OSS BSS integration, but at the end of the day, a lot of working groups and collaboration happen, right? So standards have come a long way. Open source has come a long way, starting with ODL as the basis for SDN control, and then OPNFV, which again, Dell, for both our founding platinum members, has built on OPNFV and started releasing the first code and the first load for companies and vendors and ecosystem to start playing around, right? So open source has come a long way. And finally, I would say, the ecosystem of vendors that believe in open and standard-based have all collaborated, right? As we put these kind of events together and collaborate to provide a solution that provides the best of breed in openness, right? So I think overall the journey has been fantastic, and we can see the results in the number of proof of concepts, the number of trials, the number of RFPs, RFIs, and small scale deployments that have started in 2015 with a ramp expected in 2016. So yeah, it's been a great journey so far.
What do you think then, given this amazing speed and the way things have been travelling so fast and the way Dell has picked this up and run with it very quickly indeed, what do you see then, Arpit, as the single most important challenge facing NFV at the moment?
The most important thing, which I always tell my geek friends who are focused on code and standards, right, is don't let the protocol rule you, or don't let the not invented syndrome come here in the middle of the momentum. In other words, collaborate between the open source community, the standards community, right, and there's multiple of those, and allow the vendors to collaborate in the entire ecosystem versus forcing us to take sides. Are you on this side or that side? Because then nobody benefits and we go back to the protocol wars that started 15 years ago, right? Is it ATM? Is it MPLS? Is it WiMAX? Is it LTE? Don't want to go down that route.
Okay. That's a nice warning to the wary. Okay, Arpit Joshipura, as usual, thanks very much indeed.
Thank you very much.